Hi, it's Kozue. A big thank you to Fingersuit for sending me these cat eye polishes and a super strong magnet. The shades are called Petal Glow and Sheer Glint. One's a soft pink, the other is a warm brown. When you bring the magnet close, the particles shift like this. They wrapped this ultra-strong magnet so carefully. I'd seen this magnet on Instagram a few times and was so curious about it. Now it's finally here and I'm so happy to welcome it home. This is the Fingersuit Power Nail Magnet. So the box has Korean, English, and Japanese on it. There's a manual inside the box apparently. And wow, this box feels surprisingly heavy. Look, it's so magnetic, they even warn you to keep it away from delicate electronics. To use it, gently slide the keeper forward along the magnet. Got it. Whoa, this is amazing. I don't even know what exactly is amazing, but it just is. It's surprisingly heavy too. And from here, well, things got a little tricky. This little metal plate, called the keeper, was really hard to slide at first. Is this how it works? Just keep pushing. Okay, got it a little. Oh no, stuck again. Come on. Push, push, push. Yes, it's moving. Once it's halfway out, you lift the keeper and detach it from the magnet. Okay, slide. Wow, this magnet is strong and done. You place your finger right here in the little dip, and that's where you apply the polish. For the thumb, it might work better to lift and hold it while painting. It feels surprisingly weighty in the hand. Next, I wiped off any moisture and oils from my nails using ethanol. Then I applied one coat of DF Strong Guard as a base. This pink clip from Seria is working hard again today. I wonder, can I still fit my finger into the magnet setup with the clip on? I'll show you later. Stay tuned. After letting it dry for about 5 minutes, I applied Fingersuit's Sheer Glint. To help the particles spread evenly, I rolled the polish bottle around on the table and in my hands. For the thumb, I want to settle the shimmer particles instead of making them pop. To do that, I place my finger on the flat side of the magnet while applying the polish. Oh wow, no sparkle at all. But that's a compliment. This is exactly what I was going for. Just a soft wash of color. Perfect. Next up, the pinky. Even with a clip on, it fits nicely inside the magnet. Oh wow, look at that. The shimmer particles start rising as I paint. So cool. And by shifting my finger to the right, then to the left, I can make the whole nail sparkle. I kept my finger inside the magnet for about 30 seconds. I wonder if 20 seconds would work too? Oh my gosh, it's stunning. This is what they call water glow magnetic nail, right? For the ring finger, I tried something a little different. I started by applying the polish over the flat side of the magnet, then moved to the center. The result? A soft, subtle shimmer. I applied the polish right over the center of the magnet for my index finger. It wasn't difficult at all, and as I painted, a clean line of shimmer appeared instantly. To make the whole nail sparkle, just tilt your finger gently left and right. This magnet is a total game changer. With cat eye polish, it starts drying the moment you apply, so it's hard to control the shimmer. But with this magnet, no stress. I've got time to play. I'm applying it the same way on my index finger. All I have to do is to gently sway my finger left and right inside the magnet. So easy. Here's how it looks after the first coat. I let it dry for about 7 minutes, then going with the second layer. I won't add more cat eye polish to the thumb and ring finger since I'll be applying nail foil later. Instead, I'm going in with the second coat on the pinky, middle, and the index fingers. Wait, am I just using the magnet as a finger rest now? Did I forget to paint over the center part? It's so pretty. I use the center of the magnet for my middle and index fingers. I wonder, could this work with cat eye gel too? I'm planning to test it out soon. Maybe. Now onto the index finger. Same steps as the middle finger, so let's fast forward. It's looking nice and glossy now. I let it dry thoroughly, then add some nail art to the middle finger. Time to place this metal charm. I got this charm from Temu. It's slightly curved, but when I place it on my natural nail, the curve feels too shallow, so I'm planning to add a bit more bend to make it fit better. I use a firm eraser to add more curve to the charm. Now it fits the nail perfectly, so much better. I'm using a stamping plate from Maniology. The stamper is from Temu, and the stamping polish I got that in Hawaii, super pigmented. The scraper? It came as a bonus with one of the plates. I'm leaving just 2 clean straight lines and removing the rest. Whoops! The line broke. Looks like I dented the surface earlier when placing the metal charm. I tried stamping a horizontal line, but the polish had dried too much. This is a nail foil glue I got from Temu. It turns clear when it dries. I'm applying it here so I can force the stamp to stick. Wasn't sure it would work, but it did. Now I'm stamping something small onto the vertical line. All set. I use this foil glue to attach the metal charm. Time for top coat, round 1. I'm using Paradu gel top coat on the pinky, middle, and index fingers. Okay, I've officially turned the magnet into a finger rest. Since the top coat can melt the polish underneath, I'm letting the particles settle a bit longer under the magnet. Applying gel top coat to the middle finger. Now painting the index finger. In the end, applying polish on the flat part of the magnet and then shifting it inward worked best. It's so cute. It might not show on camera, but it's even cuter in real life. I'm applying CanDo nail foil sheet to my thumb and ring finger. I usually use Daiso's anti-slip vase, but today I'm trying Temu's foil glue instead. I applied foil glue across the entire thumb. For the ring finger, I went with a diagonal application. Applying the foil sheet to my thumb. It kind of looks like snake skin after shedding. So wild. I start by rubbing the nail foil vertically, then horizontally. Next, I go diagonally, and finally I rub in a radiating pattern. Now I just keep rubbing until it's finally transferred. The foil glue didn't stick well to the edge of the nail, so I added more glue there. I'm using PS fine brush line polish to draw a line along the border. Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil. This top coat doesn't melt the nail foil sheet. After letting it dry for about 7 minutes, I'm applying Paradou gel top coat to the thumb and ring finger. I let this dry for at least 3 hours, ideally 6. Then I'll finish with Sachet V top coat. Finally done. Fingersuit's cat eye polish is amazing. The magnet is great too. And CanDo's foil sheets are just perfect. This snake pattern is so cool, but if I saw a real one, I'd run for my life. The design on my right hand is a bit simpler. Ignore the weird nail shape, okay? Shaping with my left hand is tough, especially ballerina style. Oh, one last thing. Here's how I store the fingersuit magnet. I attach the metal plate to the center of the magnet, tilt it down, and slide it into place. I think the metal plate helps maintain the magnetic strength. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!